Today we're adding a little bit more carbon and Alcantara to the inside of this F80 M3. Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Today, we are going to show you how to install new gear surround trim on an F80 M3. Now, to replace your shifter surround trim, you only need a couple tools. What I would recommend is the smallest and thinnest trim tool that you can find, and also just a set of Torx keys. So what you want to do is take your thin trim tool. We're just going to put it right in the spot right there, just very carefully wiggle this out. Now there is an electrical connection on the other side of this, so don't just rip it out. But once you pop the one side, very carefully maneuver it out. And there's our connection right there. Okay, so just disconnect that. And then once we have that off, you will see that we need to transfer over our drive logic button. So to do so, you will need a T10. You can either use a little key like this, or if you have it on a driver, that works perfectly fine as well. So just very carefully unclip all these little wires. Okay, just like that. Just very carefully unthread these two screws. Okay, here's one. Okay, and there's two. Once you've done that, the drive logic button will just pop right out like that. Then you can take it, pop it into the new one, and reinstall your screws. All right, once you've done that, you will notice that there is a little kink in these three wires. So just line each one up with this little holder over there. And you just take this and clip it in like so. Now what you can do is just take this little connection, plug it in like that, carefully rotate it around the shifter, and then just press down and you're done. And wow, that little piece, it had that aluminum trim. It looks so much better now that it's carbon. Again, taking it from this brushed aluminum look to the carbon, it just fits with everything so much better. I'm gonna have to, spoiler alert, I'm gonna get this piece next because that's one of the only pieces that still has that aluminum-ish finish, besides the little accents. But man, this looks incredible. As you just saw, this is about a 5-minute upgrade. You only need a handful of tools and it looks fantastic, especially with the matching carbon fiber that matches the rest of the trim now, and also with this really nice Alcantara. So if you're interested in any of the parts or tools that we used in today's video, be sure to see the links down in the description. Once again, my name is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you liked today's video, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com for all of your BMW retrofit, performance, and aesthetic needs. Once again, my name is Bryan. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.